Welcome and thank you for joining us to HD Supply's instructional video for repinning the shield security cylinders. In front of you, you will see the shield security cylinder, a shrum tool, and a follower. Please use the shrum tool to find the retaining pin. Once you've located the retaining pin, depress with the point of the shrum tool or any type of object like a paper clip or anything that you can depress the retaining ring, and turn the retaining ring counterclockwise, as so. Once you have the retaining ring completely off, please pull the retaining pin out and be very careful of not to lose the spring that comes with it. Take your key that came with the cylinder, insert it, turn it to 45 degrees, use your follower, and push on the follower to push the pin holder out. As you see here, you will see the pins. Remove your key, remove the old pins, get your new key, insert the new key. If your key has numbers, as this one does, this one is 36344, that is in accordance to the pins in your keying kit. If it does not, there are tools to measure the depth of your grooves to know what pin number that is used. We will pull out of our pinning kit a 3. As you see here, the Schlage pins come with a point on one end and they're flat on the other end. Please put it with the point down. Once you have completely put the new pins in, please make sure to look to see that all pins are flush with the top of the retainer. This will allow the cylinders to move freely. Grab your retainer, slide the follower back in at a 45 degree. Once it is fully in, slide your key back and forth to make sure it goes freely. Pull your key out at the 0 point, which is straight up and down. Reinstall in the correct hole your spring, your retainer. You will see on the back of the tailpiece there are 2 grooves. Use the non-grooved side to push the retaining pin in while you screw the cap back on. Once you have it pre-installed, find your retaining pin again, depress it, continue to screw the retaining cap back on. Once it is in the fully complete position where it's completely tight, turn counterclockwise 2 holes so that the pin holder will flow smoothly in your cylinder, as so. Now you have completely repinned your Schlage shield security cylinders.